Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The distance of the point alpha comma beta from the origin is. We know distance of any two points from each other is given by, let the points be x1, y1 and x2, y2. It is given by under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here one point is alpha comma beta and other point is origin, which is 0 comma 0. Let's name it P. So in this case distance of OP will be equal to under root of, let's see, alpha minus 0 whole square plus beta minus 0 whole square, which is equal to alpha minus 0 is alpha square plus beta square. So distance of OP is under root of alpha square plus beta square units. So answer is option D.